regarding whether to produce return materials authorization are made, and if so, how to process them. Basically, the tools of speed return processing include automated workflows, labels, and user profiles.
Anak, na aking isip mo tayo kay importante ko na siya sa data management kay ari mo magbase aron dito paspas ang pag-return pa. Na
Palagi chat. Kasi kuha to ni mo chat.
na one. Pag dili pa ka matter ning